हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि विच ऐप इज़ बेटर फॉर नीट पीजी प्रिपरेशन। इज़ इट मैरो और प्रेप लैडर? See, I have completed my internship recently and I have used Mero and Prep both. So I have better knowledge and better experience that which app is better for NEET PG preparation. So let's start this video. First, we will discuss about Mero. See, Mero is completely concept-based learning. So it is good for those students who are in their first, second, third prof and who have enough time to see the videos because it is very lengthy. Mero is very lengthy as compared to Prep or any other app. Whereas as we talk about Prep Ladder, it is very concise. So it is good for those who are interns and post interns because prep is less time consuming and you can get enough knowledge what is the topics, what is the importance for the NEET PG. Second, we talk about the QBank. Mero QBank is very good because the variety of questions in Mero are extremely good. But as we talk about the prep, as we compare to the Mero, it is relatively less. Third, we talk about the GTs. So the Mero GTs are actual resemblance of the exam. I must tell you guys, if you want to crack the exam, then you must give Mero GTs. They are very good. The questions they have asked is equivalent to the exam pattern. But if we compare it to the prep GDs are not very good. They are less accurate, the questions are also wrong, and it is relatively easy. But the disadvantage of Mero that it is difficult to finish if you are starting this in internship because internships are hard and you cannot finish complete Mero with videos during internship, but prep ladder can be done. Next, what I found disadvantage of Mero that it do not give the schedule to finish the particular topic at a particular time. But if we compare, the prep ladder has given it, so it is easy for you to complete the topic in a particular time. Suppose you have to complete micro, then it is given that it is can be complete in 9 days. The next point is rapid revision. Mero revision modules are not effective, are not so much good because it is very concise and they have deleted the matters of what we say. But the prep ladder rapid revision videos are the best videos. So it is good for those people who don't have enough time to cover anatomy and microbiology, such vast subjects. They can use the rapid revision videos and their MCQs. So let's concise what we have learned. It is made for interns and post interns because they don't have much time left. So if you want whole videos, if you want to watch whole the videos, then Mero. If you want the QBank, I already told you, and the GTs, they are best of Mero. Next we talk about the concise. So prep ladder has the concise notes and it is equivalent what have asked in the NEET PG. Next point is rapid revision. As I've already told you, it is the best for people who don't have much time to read whole the subject. They can use the rapid revision feature of prep ladder. It is, as we see, Mero videos, QBank, GTs are better than prep ladder, but one advantage that prep ladder has which Mero doesn't, that it is easily done during the internship. Secondly, it is good for those people who don't have much time like interns and post interns because it is less time consuming and you can get decent rank. I mean good rank if you revise it properly. So it is a win-win situation for you because you can revise multiple times. That's all for today's guys. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.